There is a special time of the night when the world is asleep. The streets are quiet, the noise of the day has faded away, and the King of Kings descends to the lowest heaven. While everyone else is dreaming, he is waiting for you. He asks, "Is there anyone asking of me so that I may give to him? Is there anyone seeking forgiveness so that I may forgive him?" This is Tahajjud, the prayer of the night. Imam Shafi once said, "The dua made at Tahajjud is like an arrow that does not miss its target." If you are desperate for a miracle, wake up when your soul is heavy and speak to him. It is a private meeting, just you and your Creator. No filters, no pretense. You can cry, you can beg, you can tell him everything that breaks your heart. He is the only one who can fix it. Try it tonight, even if it is just 2 rakat, even if it is just 10 minutes before Fajr. Knock on his door when the world is closed. He will open it for you. The King is waiting. Will you answer the call?